Hello, what's up guys? What's up guys? Welcome to a new day with my new hiplip.com website. And this website is getting a free traffic to your website. It's easy and free way to get traffic to your website. Buy traffic or add your 3 free traffic and get traffic to your website. And if you're a new member on my website, maybe you are watching me on YouTube, Facebook, or any social media, please don't forget to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anytime that I will upload a new video, how to get free traffic, how to make money exactly online, you will get my video. Click sign up and it will take you to this place. Fill your email, username, password, repeat the password and agree. Then you click sign up. Click I agree and you click sign up. So in this case, I already registered for this site, so I will log in and show you how you can use this system. So you can see this is a new account that I opened for this site. I have new website of um this website. So in this video I make a new account for this video and show you how to start getting traffic to your website. So you click my website and it will show you have zero. I don't add any website yet, or I can buy more traffic. So I add new website, then it will take you here. See website address URL, so you add it. So if you add it, then you submit it. After submit, you can come here, come do some settings, enter number of hits that you want to get it, your flow, then some keywords, your social media address. Then you click, maybe you have YouTube or any. I just want you to get a point. Then you choose all country, then you submit it again. You have 2 options to do that. Add a new website, put only your website address, submit it, then it will take you to whatever you wanna do. Then you start making free traffic to your site. You can buy a traffic with um 10,000 hits with a $7 each for free. That's it. You can get 1,000 over and over hits with this amount of dollars. So I just show you how you can do it. Again, you can buy traffic to your website, your referral link, then you get paid. So if you click on this link that I give you to the in the description, it will take you come to this page and you'll register for your free account. Then like I show you, click and traffic. You can download this for your window and it will make simple way to go inside your dashboard and you work there. So like what I said, it's free way to get traffic. You can upgrade the quality, then you get more leads and more traffic to your website. Thank you for watching this video. Have a peace.